today, especially starting with the castle in Karatsu. Starting from Karatsu, it was really good to go to the castle and learn a little bit about the history of the town and see it from the top of the castle before going to the museum that showed about the introduction of rice into Japan.
I thought the best part of the tour was probably just like riding along the countryside and going up the mountains and like seeing all the nice views, and then I think just like nice little things where you get to interact with like local Japanese people. Like we had the farmers market, and then I was able to see some like mochi dango, and then
Very well. I've really enjoyed the past couple of days. It's been a great experience getting to see the culture and the people of Karatsu, the area. It's been fun, challenging.